Hi guys, it's P. I am very behind on sharing these two cards. These are birthday cards from my sweet, sweet friend Tina, who is my topper cropper here on YouTube. She sent this beautiful birthday card for me along with a few presents. You guys all have to forgive me. I've been a little under the weather. But I'm okay. Anyway, I wanted to share this really quick. Isn't that card gorgeous, you guys? I just love that. And then the first card, the first birthday card that I actually got was from Lynda, who is Bestie. She is Lynda's, is it Poopas and Doodas? Or is it Doodas and Poopas? I can never remember which direction they go. Or which comes first, I mean. So this was the first birthday card that I got from Lynda, and I wanted to thank you, Lynda, very, very much. I really appreciate it. It's a super, super sweet, happy, happy birthday card. And thank you, ladies, both so much. And that is my share for today. But thank you, guys. I'll be on soon. Or on again soon to kind of go through, you know, some more stuff, some more Happy Mail, and I'll give you guys an update pretty soon here. Okay, you guys have a great day and make a happy memory, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.